everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this RAMISU faux leather dress that I got. It is so cute. It has such cute details. The material is polyester and spandex, so it does have a lot of stretch. It's really gonna hug your curves, and it's kind of that bodycon slim fit kind of dress. So it is a little bit tight fitting, but I like that. It does have this little bit, it's a scoop neck, but it does have the little tiny bit of a hint of mock neck. It is sleeveless, and then on this both sides it has these drawstrings, so you can adjust what level you want your dress to be. If you want it to be a little bit shorter, a little bit longer, or maybe even a little bit asymmetrical, so it will really fit any look that you're going for. I love to wear this with tall boots or heels if I want it to be more dressy. I've worn this with cute sneakers. It's just perfect. It's really breathable, really lightweight. It doesn't make you sweaty and feel gross when you're out in the hot weather. The leather is faux and it really doesn't have that effect at all. This wash is great. I've had this for probably about 6 months. I just wash it in the washing machine and then I hang dry it just so I don't risk ruining the faux leather, but it is held up perfectly. Give me 1 second and I will show you what it looks like on. Okay, so now that you've seen what it looks like on, how pretty and flattering it is, and how subtle the faux leather is, but it still gives you a little bit of edge, I just think it's adorable. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.